Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Looking to organize your reading life, track the books you've finished, and create a beautiful visual record of your literary journey? Today, I'll walk you through setting up a Notion book and reading tracker using a free dashboard template so you can effortlessly log your reading progress with style and efficiency. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking tracker that's totally customized to your taste, making it easier and honestly more fun to track your books. Let's dive right in. To save us time and give our reading tracker a polished look, we're going to use one of Notion's free templates. Templates are essentially pre-designed pages you can drop right into your workspace. This means you don't need to build your tracker from scratch. The layout, categories, and database features are already set up. Think of it like starting with the framework of a beautifully organized bookshelf and then arranging your books just the way you want. First, look to the top left corner of your Notion dashboard. You'll see a drop-down menu, or sometimes it's called More Options, depending on your device or version. Give that a click. This menu is like Notion's toolkit. It's where you'll find extra features, settings, and most importantly for us, the template gallery. Inside the menu, select Browse Templates. Templates in Notion are sorted by category: education, productivity, personal projects, and so on. But today we're interested in anything related to books and reading. In the search bar, type Book and Reading Tracker. Take a moment to browse through the options. Each template has a slightly different style. Maybe one has a cover gallery, another features reading goals, another tracks genres or ratings. Pick the one that calls out to you, whether you love minimalist designs or want something bursting with color. Once you've found a template you like, simply click Add to drop it into your workspace. Now, Notion might take a second to load the template, so don't worry if it's not instant. It's just building your new tracker behind the scenes. What you'll see now is a dashboard page designed for tracking books. There are usually columns for book titles, author, date started, finished, your rating, and notes sections to jot down thoughts or favorite quotes. Here, where the fun and the real personal touch comes in. You can begin adding your reading credentials. Fill in the books you've already read this year, what you're currently reading, or your most anticipated reads. If you're brand new to tracking, start with your current read and add others as you go. And remember, you can edit every field, add custom categories like want to read, DNF, did not finish, or whatever makes sense for you. Want to make it truly yours. Notion lets you customize colors, add icons, change cover images, and reorganize sections. If you prefer seeing your reading history laid out visually, try switching the view, maybe to gallery or calendar format. This is your digital reading nook, so adjust it until it feels just right. And that's it. With a couple of clicks and a bit of personalization, you've set yourself up with a stunning, practical book and reading tracker in Notion. Take a minute to explore, add a few books, and see how it feels. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. You can always tweak the design later as your reading goals evolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Notion tips and guides. Drop any questions or topic requests in the comments below. I love hearing how you make Notion work for you. Thanks so much for watching and happy reading.